Welcome to the serene beauty of Canaanland, a haven of vibrant life where nature whispers its timeless story. In every leaf, every petal, there is a masterpiece awaiting to be discovered. You are going to enjoy every bit of this video. And do well to like, subscribe, and share with others. We are going on a journey, and trust me, you will like it. This is the Royal Poinciana tree. It's usually called the flame tree. Its fairy blossom are a spectacle painting the landscape with vibrant hues, a symbol of the summer. Its canopy provides the shade and inspiration, reminding us of the brilliance found in nature's design. Surrounding these flowers are the ever-watchful trees and shrubs, guardians of the earth. Their green canopies not only purify the air, but also shelter countless creatures. Each tree is a silent witness to seasons of growth, renewal, and rest. Nature's orchestras plays on. The rustling of leaves, the fluttering of wings, the distant calls of birds, each sound a gentle reminder of the Creator's genius and the harmony woven into every corner of creation. Every bud holds the promise of tomorrow. Every leaf, a chapter in the book of life. The beauty you see here is not just for admiration, it's calls for reflection. A call, for reflection. How can we protect and cherish the earth that nourishes us? Let's reflect on this. As we celebrate the splendor of nature, let us also commit to preserving it. For every tree, every flower, and every patch of green is a gift. Let us honor it, not just with our words, but with our actions. This is the beauty of Canaanland shared with the world.